I'm gonna show you how to work with watercolors and how to make paintings more realistic. We start right now. Subscribe to my channel RC Harsh and press the bell icon so that your inner artist gets instant updates on new videos. In watercolors, always remember to start with light tones of different colors. Add water to the colors. The reason is that you cannot use a light tone over a dark in watercolors, unlike the acrylics or oil. For the first coat, use wet on wet technique, that is color on wet base. Remember to cover your sheet with water, not very less and not so much that it spoils your sheet. And then apply the colors. Make sure you dilute the colors before applying. Starting with the first coat, yellow on the side walls, just a simple quick wash. On the elephant, I am using grey color, of course wet on wet. And remember, use more water here. I am leaving the background blurry yellow, we'll work on it later. And do tell me in the comments what's your favorite medium to work with. Is it acrylics, pencils, soft pastels or watercolors? Now I am starting with the second. Use the middle tones of different colors, blending them by wet in wet method. While applying the middle tones, do keep in mind the depth and highlight. Leave the spaces for the highlights because if once painted you can't undo it easily or make that portion white. I am leaving here the nails of elephant, some outer part of the ear, near the bottom of ear, which are the patches this animal elephant has on the skin. Leaving white the man and the things which are on its back, including the seat. On the head, coming to the head. On the head, some red, green colors you can see on Indian elephants which are painted for decorative purpose. Leaving some portion over the forehead, light strokes on the gates and arches. I've used more water with thick colors so that it blends nicely. And with a small brush doing the details. As you all know, a small brush always will hold less water while a thick one will hold more comparatively. For the eye, using thick pure black color. Now doing the huge carpet like cloth on the back. You can use white over a color if you seriously made a mistake, but you will have to use a lot of, as I did because I painted a white portion black by mistake. Even I colored the yellow borders blue, so I have to apply white color then yellow over it. And done with the second coat on elephant and starting with the third coat now. For this third coating I use dry on dry. Dry brush with thick colors on the dry sheet. Again you should make sure the paper is completely dry. Many times I put the brush on paper and the color flows everywhere because the paper isn't dry. So you need to take care of it and then apply small strokes of dark color tone, and which will make your painting come alive. Also, some of you asked me about the watercolors I use. So I use Camlin Artist watercolors, cakes and tubes. I use cakes for the first and second coating, and tubes for the third coating for pure saturated thick colors. To make a painting look real, use this three coating method: the light tone, then the medium, and then the dark in the last. It's better because the dark tone acts as shades and the light tone of first coating is the highlight, which you leave blank during the second and third. And you can also sometimes apply fourth coating with very dry strokes. Coming to the front walls now. Dark tones for huge gates. Actually, I was in confusion with these gateways, where to put dark, where light. So just doing a quick wash over these. The ancient blocks on the sides of gates, these are actually everywhere in the city of Jaipur. Architecture designs, these are architectural designs of that Maharaja period. This is the second coat for the walls. You may have noticed that I painted the elephant first and then the red. The reason is that every time I finish my center object, so that even if my rest of background or surrounding doesn't turn out well, there is a center of attraction at least. This is how I work, but you can you can actually paint anyhow, starting from anywhere. It doesn't matter, it will definitely turn out well. I just again made a mistake using white again. Using dark brown for the shadows in that blocks, that 4 blocks. It's the third coating I'm giving here. Using pure black color. I actually like watercolors because these are very cheap and the result they give if you use them right is awesome. You can buy them from any art store near you, but watercolors fades away with time, so you have to glass frame your painting to keep them long. Many of my old watercolor work when I see now look desaturated, so it's better to frame. Now finally doing the background. It's the second coat with medium tones, and over it the dark tones with dry brush for the textures on the wall. Also, if you like my videos, my artworks, I've just created my account on Patreon, so you can become a patron and support me. The final touches now with dark tones. Remember the dark tones. and let me know in the comments below what type of video you want me to make next, be it the same watercolors or about the pastels or like something DIY.
Give a big like to this video and subscribe to my channel if you have not yet. Please.